In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to use the iOS 16 feature called voice isolation to reduce background noise when you're in a phone call. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but you can use this feature for other iPhone models, at least the ones running iOS 16. So what you need to do is go to the phone call. You have to be in an active phone call for this to work. So go ahead and get into your phone call. And during the phone call, you can swipe down from the top right of the screen. And then tap on mic mode at the top there, and then select voice isolation. By default, it's going to be on standard. You want to select voice isolation and then tap anywhere on the screen, and the mic mode should say voice isolation. Now it's going to try and block or mute all the background noise when you're in an active phone call. Now once you set it up once, it's going to be the setting for subsequent phone calls on your iPhone, unless of course you reset your settings. So that's basically how to reduce background noise in a phone call using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.